Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by launching Dazz Cam and granting the app permissions. This lets the app access camera and audio so recordings save correctly. Once done, choose your aspect ratio and film format. Picking 16, 9 or 4, 3 affects composition and export size. Make sure to set permission for storage so captured clips write to your gallery. You're doing this now to avoid interruptions during recording and to ensure files export cleanly without permission errors later. Now you'll configure exposure and framing before hitting record. Switch lenses based on quality needs, then adjust ISO and shutter to control brightness and motion blur. You should use manual white balance to avoid color shifts between shots. Once set, lock focus and use a grid overlay to align horizons or subjects. This makes clips look intentional and cinematic. Then press record and monitor levels, if audio clips. Reduce microphone gain or move close. Finish by trimming and applying the film style filter you want, because small edits dramatically change mood. Once satisfied, pick export resolution. 1080p saves quicker, 4K preserves detail, and pick a destination like gallery or social share. Make sure export settings match your upload needs so you don't re-encode later. If export or save fails, first clear Dazz Cam cache, confirm storage permission, and free at least 100 megabytes. These steps resolve most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.